Hello, welcome to this product video in which I'm going to show you how to connect the Dragino LHT65 temperature and humidity sensor. Well, first, what is this sensor? It has a built-in temperature and humidity as well as an external temperature sensor. Now, let's say I want to use this sensor to measure the external temperature and humidity to this water bottle. I can use this sensor for that. And I'm going to install it using double-sided tape to stick it to the water bottle, like this. So it's connected. Now, if I want to use the external sensor, I can easily plug it in, like this, and place the sensor itself in the water. Now, don't ask me why you want to do this, but this is to show you how it works. You can use this for any appliance you might like. Now that the sensor is installed, I'm going to show you how to connect the sensor to the Withthegrid application. Now that the sensor is installed, I'm going to show you how to make sure that all the data collected by this sensor is also shown on your Withthegrid application. I've logged into my account on the Withthegrid application. First, I want to go to my location and I click on this symbol down here on the bottom right corner. This is where I am, and I'm going to make a measurement location by clicking on the pen symbol. Then I click on Add New Location and I click on the map. I'm going to call the location Water Bottle and give it a home symbol. Now I add this location. Then, if I want to connect the sensor on the platform, I go to Device. And here, at Device ID, I give in the device ID that is written on the side of the sensor. So if I have the device ID and I start typing here, it finds it and I click Connect. Now, there's a pop-up window where I can add ports. And if I click once, the temperature probe is added. And if I click another time on Add Port, the internal sensor is also added. These have been preset, so there's nothing else I have to do. Just click Set here, and then basically my measurement location is all set up. Now I just turn on the sensor by clicking the Activate button. A light starts to flicker, and that means it's making connection to the LoRaWAN via LoRaWAN and sending the data already to the platform. So now that we have the device set up and the measurements are coming into the platform, we may want to know when the temperature goes below a certain point. To do that, we're going to set the issue triggers. I go to the graph and I click on Edit Issue Triggers. If I want to know when the temperature of the water goes below, for example, 19 degrees, I can set it as low, and if I also want to know when it goes below 18 degrees, which is absolutely critically low, I want to set the issue triggers like this, and high temperatures in this instance I don't care much about. Now I update these issue triggers, and in the graph you will see that the issue trigger lines are added in the graph. If the temperature of this water bottle goes below 19 or 18 degrees, I will receive an email of that fact, so that I'm always notified when something happens that I need to know. So this is now set up. I can send commands to the sensor to make it measure on a different interval. It's now on every 5 minutes. I can set the interval, for example, to measure every 1 hour, every 30 minutes, every week, whatever you may like. With this, I'm going to leave you. Check out our other videos and I hope to see you next time. Bye.